Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to create a swap file on your Android device to increase your RAM memory without root, without PC and without WLP on your Android device. So before we start the video, just want to ask you, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Like the video and let's get started. So first of all, I'm using here Android 10, and the Android 10 has a 6 GB of RAM memory, so that's why my phone is fast. It has RAM memory enough. So then you need to download the two applications that I'm going to leave the link down there on the description. You're going to download this Vphone, this app, and the SWAPP configuration. You're going to download these two applications to your Android device. So now what we have to do, first of all, we need to activate here some setting. We have to make some changes on our device by clicking on setting icon. Let's click on setting icon. Then we are going to click on about phone and let's click on software information. Now we have to click on build num around 7 times to enable the developer option. As you can see, I am already a developer, so I'm going just back and I'm going to click on developer options. Now I'm going to enable the USB debooting mode on my device. So once you enable the USB debooting mode in your Android device, you will be able to move the swap file from the Vphone to your original machine, to your Android device. Alright, now once we did this process, I'm going to show you as well that I don't have a root access on my Android device by clicking on super SU, and then I'm going to click OK to verify if my phone has root access or not. As you can see, the phone has not root access. As you can see, phone not rooted. So now I'm going to open it up, another root checker, to verify if my phone has root access or not. So root states not rooted. As you can see, I'm using Android 10 and this is all my device information. So now let's get to the process. As I said before, download the app that is available on description below. Alright guys, so now let's open it up, our Android app, the Vphone. You're gonna download it from the link down there on description. Once you download it, you're gonna just click on here on the blue icon. Click on it to open it up, swipe it. You're gonna as well click down here to get into the Vphone. Confirm, give all permission that the Vphone will ask you. Now just lay down and wait. Perfect. As you can see, the phone has already opened it up. It's a virtual machine that we are going to use. It has root access and we don't need to harm our device by trying to install a root access on our device. So with this process, you can have a root access and you can use any application too. You can use any rooted application on this Vphone. Okay, so now let's get into the process. As you can see, the app, the virtual machine, is very smooth and very cool, pretty easy to use. You don't need to worry about anything about virus, or it's clear. So now what we have to do is just we are going to import the swapper configuration by clicking this icon, this green icon down here on the left corner. Click on it and then you have to click on the first option, the green one. Click on it and now we have to find the app. We're going to find the app, the swapper app. It is right here, down here. Click on it to start the importation to our device. Let's wait up. Alright, it's done. Now let's go back. Let's return here to our device. The swapper file is right here. Okay, now the step is so simple. You're gonna just open it up and now you have to create the swap file. But before, we're going to give a root permission to this device. Alright, first of all, you have to activate here the activate swap on boot. Click on it. Then you have to click as well here on swap direction. You have to choose the direction that you want to leave the app, the swap file. I'm going to click on download. Then I'm going to create here only 1 GB of internal memory. that is 1024 of SWAPP file. Perfect. Once we did this, we're going just to click on save, and this SWAPP file needs root permission, and is starting now a swapper activator. Alright guys, this worked perfectly without any problem. So I forgot to show you that my phone, this Vphone is rooted and it has currently root the swapper file. I'm going to check it out here. Alright, so now let's click on root checker to see if the Vphone has root access or not. Let's click on check root. As you can see, root checker has guaranteed root on my device, and it is rooted perfectly on my device. As you can see, everything is working perfectly, everything is working fine, and the device has root access. So now is the time to. So now let's go back. Let's see, just return here, and let's see the file direction that was created. Remember that we are using this on the virtual machine, and just we are going to click. Alright, so the Vphone has not an internal storage. I'm going just to move it by clicking to move the storage file to work on your Android device, to work on your original Android device. We're going to click on this blue icon again. Then now we're going to click on this blue icon right over here, and let's click on SD card, and let's click on downloads. As you can see, I moved the SWAPP file. It is right here. We're going to click, and then we're going to export it to our device. Right, just we're going to wait up. Alright, it's done. Now let's see if the SWAPP file is in our internal storage in our original machine. Okay, by doing that, we're going to click on internal storage on our files. So then let's see internal storage. Then let's look for this. You're gonna look for the folder VM output, this folder here. That's good. So once you did that, you're going now to create a swapper folder to move this VM output, to move this SWAPP file to the swapper folder to let your RAM work in perfectly, right? So now let's create the swapper folder as I did here. This swapper folder, you have to create it, then you have to move the SWAPP file to the swapper folder, right? So easily you can do this process by clicking on the VM output. Click on VM output and select it, and now move it to the swapper folder. I already created the swapper folder. I'm just going to move it, and I already have some swap file here on the swapper folder. I'm going to move right away here. Then I'm going to replace. Alright, it's done. I have just moved the swap file to my swapper folder, right? So it's done. Now you can use your phone with more RAM and perfectly working perfectly everything. And if this video helps you out, or something that missed out I didn't say in the video, just comment there, let me know that down there, and I will be showing you, and I will be answer your comment down there. Like the video, guys. I will be stopping from here. If you like the video, like, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a video. Like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.